So just make zoom out. Yeah. They have phase 1 and phase 2. Phase 1, they have only clarifiers, and phase 2, they have 2 clarifiers. Okay. So here, actually, the effluent of the clarifier should go directly to the sand filters. So they don't have to go directly to the CCT. So we installed this 2 unit, duty standby. So the effluent from the clarifiers is just come here to remove the suspended solid only. It's like physical treatment. So this is this filter cloth type.
This is a gravity line.
Yeah, gravity line. Oh my God. This is above the ground, and this is on the ground, and the CCT or the chlorine contact tank or the collection tank underground.
Then how you effluent tank available there? Effluent tank.
So we have it's not no. That's already the system. Our scope only just to integrate the sand filters.
Where is water coming here?
Yeah, the water coming from there, from the clarifiers.
Direct?
Yes, from the effluent. So we will make bypass before going to the underground tank. We will take this in common header, and it will come one here and one here. So this is duty standby.
Underground tank will also go after this.
No, the tanks above the ground, clarifiers.
Tank is there.
That's what underground. This just
water will come first one for effluent tank. After that will go for CST.
This is the CCT that tank, and this is underground tank. We will just take this one and put in the middle. That's it. And this pipe we will cut, we will connect in, out.
Then it will go.
All will be the same.
It will go to before the underground tank.
Yeah.
Then after your pumping.
This is your tank.
Okay.
This is your existing tank. The existing situation that this line is coming directly here.
Gravel.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we will just put this one and we will divert the line to this unit and this unit. That's it. Then we'll take the out.
But if you are diverting this line, then there should be some isolation, or you are cutting them.
Yes, we have 1, 2, and 3. This is the bypass. This is the normal situation. So if you want to return back to the normal situation, you just close this and open this. It will coming like the same existing. Okay. So now we will stop this one and we will keep one running.
You are putting 2, right? One is standby, one is working. Okay.
Now
Yeah.
operation wise, how the operation, how it works in the backward, where drain is going,
Yeah. Here in this
how you
one,
control this.
this it will